Tick-tock, you don't stop. So anyway, welcome to another Buck's Kitchen recipe. TikTok and the internet's been crazy with this smoked cream cheese. So I just had to try it. People say it's amazing. So I had to find out for myself. Just got back from the grocery store, picked up some cream cheese. I looked through my cabinets and I found a few different flavors of spices and rubs that I had on hand. And these are the two that I went with. I think I'm going to go with Cimarron Docks for my very first cream cheese, although this pineapple sriracha does look really good. I took a consensus in the household and we all went with Cimarron Docks. Sweet barbecue seasoning rub, which I think is going to go really well with this cream cheese on the smoker at 250 for 2 hours. And supposedly it's going to come out to this beautiful creamy dip for crackers and such. So that's what we're going to do today. What I've been seeing everybody do is they've been running these lines through the cream cheese because as it smokes, it opens up and gives it a really nice design. It's not necessary, but why not make it pretty? Next, we're going to take the Cimarron and we're going to sprinkle it all over. And we're going to want the edges. Basically just cover the entire block of cream cheese with your seasoning of choice. You take the flavor profile that you want. I went with this one, and boom, there you go. So now I'm going to bring it outside and I'm going to drop it on the smoker and we're going to see how it comes out. All right, and I'm going to stick this so there's less heat from that pot in the middle where all the heat's running. So I'm going to lay it over here so it smokes better without that direct heat on the bottom because I don't want this thing to melt into a puddle. And I'll see you in a couple hours. Well, here is the end result. I do think the little slices make it look pretty cool. So there it is. It looks fantastic. It looks awesome. What really matters is how it tastes. And this is why I did what I did in place. So let's break off a little piece here. All right, there you go. It's really warm, which is fantastic. It does have a really good flavor. It is quite amazing, actually. I gotta say, this is pretty good. TikTok, you've done it again. Another fantastic recipe idea that has taken the internet like wildfire. And I, for one, have attempted, succeeded, and approve of this recipe. So go smoke yourself some cream cheese because I give it my stamp of approval. It's very tasty, very easy, and pretty amazing, actually. This was an easy recipe in Buck's Kitchen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cool little easy recipe, please subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. And until next time, always cooking, always learning. All right, thanks. See you on the next cook. All right, Lise, come on over and try this.